Are you tired of jumping between different apps just to find a live channel that actually works? Most people struggle with broken links and buffering because they are using outdated lists that haven't been refreshed in months. Don't worry, because I'm going to show you exactly where to find the most reliable, legal, and free IPTV playlists available right now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Vibes. The reason most IPTV links fail is that they are temporary or hosted on unstable servers. To get a smooth experience, you need to use M3U playlists that are verified and updated daily by the developer community. Let's get your live TV setup running perfectly. Step 1 is the GitHub IPTV project. This is the most famous source in the world because it is an open source collection of thousands of free-to-air channels from every country. You can find their master M3U link by searching for IPTV.org on GitHub. Step 2 is the Fluxus TV list. This provider is known for having a very high uptime and offers a massive selection of English language news and entertainment channels. Simply search for the Fluxus IPTV M3U link to add it to your player. Step 3 is the Samsung TV Plus playlist. You don't actually need a Samsung TV to watch these channels. There are legal M3U links available online that aggregate all the free Samsung TV Plus content into one easy list for any device. Step 4 is the Pluto TV integrated list. Since Pluto TV is free and legal, developers have created M3U versions of their channel guide. This allows you to watch all of Pluto's live content inside your favorite IPTV player app without opening the original website. Step 5 is the PBS Direct link. PBS offers free live streams of many local stations. You can find these direct stream URLs on official developer forums, which allows you to watch high-quality educational content and news for free. Step 6 is using a reliable IPTV player like VLC or TVMate. A playlist is only as good as the player you use. These apps are designed to handle high-definition M3U files and will significantly reduce buffering compared to cheap, generic players. Step 7 is the Free TV Project. This is a curated website that provides direct links to over 1,000 legal live TV streams. They categorize everything by genre so you can easily find exactly what you want to watch. Step 8 is the Plex Free Live TV list. Just like Pluto, Plex has a massive library of free linear channels. You can find verified M3U links that bring these high-quality streams directly into your custom IPTV setup. Step 9 is checking for link auto-update features. When you add a source to your player, make sure you choose the option to refresh the URL on every launch. This ensures that if a channel address changes, your app will automatically find the new one. Step 10 is using the IPTV.org index files. Instead of loading every channel in the world, use their specific category links. You can choose a list that only contains USA or news to keep your channel guide clean and fast. Here is a pro tip for you. Always use a high-quality VPN when streaming IPTV playlist. Even if the content is free and legal, some internet providers will throttle your speed when they detect a live stream, and a VPN keeps your connection fast and private. If you face any difficulty setting up these links or your player won't load the list, leave a comment below. I check the comments constantly, and I will reply to you within 1 hour to help you troubleshoot. If this video helped you get free live TV today, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. You've got this, and happy streaming.